Hi. So today I came with one more new topic called in-app guidance. So what is the in-app guidance? So in Salesforce, usually when you log in to your sandboxes or your production, you will see some pop-ups here, right? Like somewhere in a corner or somewhere in the middle. But sometimes it will be a guided path. I mean, guided path means it will pop up some prompts and it will ask you to go to the next something like this, right? I'll try to show you if it is possible. So like this guidance, right? So that guidance called as a in-app guidance. Okay, so how we can do the custom in-app guidance in a Salesforce? Okay, so let's jump into the setup. So in a setup, we have a option called in-app guidance under the user engagement. Okay. So what exactly we can do here in this? So let's assume in real time scenario. I'll give you a small example. So let's assume your build team is DevOps team is doing a build. You may assume there is some downtime is required. So how we will notify to the user partial downtime or some functionality will not work on that time, other functionality is working fine. So in that time, how we'll notify to the users? So when they logged in, you just pop up small message here to showing the prompt so that user will get to know there is some deployment is going on. If something went wrong, that might be a cause because of the deployment. Okay, so how we can do that? So there is a different type. That is one scenario. Second scenario, you have introduced one new custom config object. So what is use of that new custom config? So how what is the action? What if I click on follow? What will be happen? That you want to explain. If I click on the change as owner, or if you select something, if you write any new actions, what is use of that new actions? You can explain using the guided in-app guidance. Or if you want to explain some path, let's assume if you go to this option, what will be happen? There will be some process. Let's assume in a case to close the case, there will be the process. Right, once you open, click on the open and fill some mandatory fields, and then run some script to identify this case is junk case or exactly the customer case. Okay, and then all the process is completed technically, then close the case. So to explain to the end user, you can write some guided path in a guidance. Okay, let's jump into the actual concept demo. So I'll just show you. I'll just show you the demo here. I'm just adding you one new guided path. So once you click on this, will be launched to the new page. So before adding to new add button, so you have to select what exactly you want to tell, what where exactly the path has to be tell. So go to that page exactly. So I'm just going to the one of the account. Here my intention is when the end user came to the account phase. Okay, I want to explain him to these buttons. Okay, one of these buttons. Let's assume explain about this. So email. If you want to send the email, you click on this email. you click on this email, you can able to send the email. That's what I want to explain. So just say the add and then here I don't want to the walkthrough. Walkthrough means I just explained. Just you the prompt will be go next where you want to the explain. But here in my scenario, I'll go by the single prompt. Okay, single prompt. I'll choose here. Then next go. So where exactly you want? See, it is here. It is showing here. No, I want to be particularly target point. I don't want to be the pop-up. So this scenario we can use when your downtime system or you want to send some message to everyone, those who are logged in. That time you can use this one. So flopping means it will be the plop. It will be the pop-up in middle. There will be no wherever you want you can add it. That's not an issue, but it will be this message will be for entire the screen. That's what the intention here. Okay, I want to specific the target position, so I'll just select here the target position here. So okay, so the target position is this one. So once I click on this target position, I want to the pop up. I want to the pop up this message. Okay, so I'll just drag this. I'll just drag this to the below. Okay, or above, exactly above or below, wherever it is. Okay, um, so where the position you want, left, right, top, bottom. So I'll say left, this side. Okay, center. Okay, this is uses custom. If you want to change the light, I mean the icon color, you can change it. The color of file, select the dark color and then click on next. Title is I'll say the sending the email. I'll write steps like email icon button. You will see I'll see the pop-up and then post email. Click send email. So this the same example we can write in a walkthrough guidance also. But for now I'm fine with this. Okay. So if you want to change the icon image, you can change it here by uploading. But for now, I'm not going to do that. So here instead of dismiss, I want to write some custom message like no thanks. I'll say the no thanks here the custom button name. Okay. So this is what this. I'll just save it. So on click of the button, you want to show any help document, then you can use it. For now, I don't want anything. So here, when should the pop-up has to become? I want to show the when the page is loaded and how many times you want to show. One time, no. For me, let's assume 5 times per day. Okay, until unless I click on the dismiss. Okay, I mean no thanks. So no profile. I don't want to any profile. If you want, you can specify this profile only. This has to be open. In real time scenario, it is required to specify the profiles. And if it is a permission set, also it's giving it's a nice feature providing a particular permission set. This in-app has to be pop-up, and then the details of this. If you want to active inactive, you can do that. So you can do the schedule also. So the when the schedule we can use. Well, that's it. I as I said, the downtime is required. So on so time to time. That time you can use the schedule. But for my now it is not required the schedule when the page is loaded. Okay, so I'll say send email on count. You can just give the name and say the what is this URL. The URL is just to test purpose. I'll say that done. Okay, let's test now. The actual demo is now. So let's assume I'm just refreshing this page. I'm in the service page. Okay, it's on the service app, right? So I'm in the service app page, navigating to the account. In account, I'm just opening a one account. Okay, so see, I'm not done. Once the page is loaded, our in-app guidance is showing here. The in-app guidance. Yep, you can try with other options, which is we have walked through and try it and do practice. Then only the same. So you can learn anything. You can apply into your project when you do the practice. Do practice, you will get more ideas. If you have any questions while doing in a practice, you can comment it. Definitely, I will try to answer it. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do like so that it will be the visible my video to others on the screen. And please do subscribe and share this video those who knows the Salesforce. So most probably I'm sharing the knowledge which is interesting topics. Thank you so much.